Here we are on our way to Mountain Creek. Everybody's in the car. We're gonna go have an epic day. You? Say hi, hon. Say hi, Sal. Can't see Sal. We'll show him later. All right, stay posted. I don't know if we can see Mom over there and Sal.
I see her.
Where? Where?
I see her. Hi, Mom!
I don't see her.
She was in the white.
Okay, well, I'm
She's in
videotaping.
You see those umbrella, those two umbrellas that aren't open?
Yeah?
She's in the one that's farthest this way. She's right behind in it.
Okay, well, I videoed, so hopefully we'll find her there. And we're on the gondola, heading up the mountain. Say hi, you! What's up? There's a big drop right there. Some trails you could see. These aren't actually our mountain biking trails, but here we go. Rented all 3 bikes. We're gonna have a sick day. I'm gonna backflip that thing later. Yeah! Hope I don't drop my phone.
That's the trail that we go.
You
That's the
heading
trail
up. You.
Yeah, boy.
B-brake. Yep, yep. We just hit that trail. Now we're gonna go down here. Woo. Here comes Cole. Tearing it up. You. Woo! Here comes Ryan down the deviant trail. You. Woo! Here they come. End of the line here. Woo! Such a good run. Cole's gonna hit this little one right here. Whoa! Sick! Here comes Ryan. Flying down this mountain. Making quick work of these trails. He's gonna hit the little tiny drop over on the side. Wait, what? Whoa! Sick! You. And there's Mama Dukes hanging out. Best ever. You guys have fun at Mountain Creek today?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, look at the camera.
We did so much. We did drops, we did jumps, we did wheelies, we had food, we got these sick hats.
Yeah.
You!
Great day at Mountain Creek. All possible because of this beautiful lady. Thanks, son. Oh, Sal's ready to go.